RGB PC fans are essential for cooling efficiency, airflow management, and customizable lighting, enhancing both performance and visual appeal. Today's video is about top 5 best RGB PC fans that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Corsair Magnetic Bearing Single Fan. The Corsair RX series fans are a powerhouse for any PC build, combining performance and style seamlessly. With PWM controlled speeds via ICUE link, you can fine-tune airflow up to 2,100 revolutions per minute, delivering an impressive 74.2 CFM to keep your system cool under heavy loads. Their high static pressure of 4.38 mmH2O makes them perfect for pushing air through dense radiators or tight heatsinks, ensuring optimal thermal performance. A standout feature is the vivid RGB lighting. 8 customizable LEDs create stunning effects, and the cleverly designed frame window lets you enjoy your lighting from the side. The included ICUE link bridge connectors allow you to daisy-chain multiple fans, simplifying cable management and syncing all lighting through a single hub. ICUE link system hub sold separately. Corsair AirGuide technology further enhances cooling by directing airflow precisely to your hottest components, preventing wasted air and improving efficiency. Overall, these fans deliver a perfect balance of high performance, efficient cooling, and eye-catching aesthetics, ideal for gamers and PC enthusiasts alike. Now our second product is Asiahorse High Performance PC Fan. The Dawn 120mm RGB fan is a perfect blend of performance, style, and convenience. Its modular daisy chain connection simplifies cable management, allowing multiple fans to link with a single cable, keeping your PC interior clean and organized. Installation and maintenance are hassle-free thanks to its intuitive modular design. Lighting is a standout feature. The Infinity Mirror ARGB layout provides uniform, elegant illumination without messy effects. It's compatible with Asus Aura Sync, Gigabyte RGB Fusion, and MSI Mystic Light Sync, letting you synchronize your system's lighting seamlessly. Even beginners can create a cohesive RGB setup effortlessly. Performance-wise, the Dawn 120mm excels. Equipped with a high-performance hydrodynamic bearing, HDB, it runs quietly at 6 to 29 dBA while delivering 71 CFM airflow and 2.6 mmH2O static pressure through PWM 900 to 1850 revolutions per minute. Its forward-reverse blade design adapts to various installations, balancing airflow and aesthetics. With its minimalist ARGB light strip, optimized blade curvature, and superior cooling efficiency, the Dawn 120mm fan ensures silent, powerful cooling while enhancing modern PC builds with a subtle yet luxurious visual touch. Our third product is Jungle Leopard ARGB Computer Case Fans. The Infinity Mirror ARGB 120mm fan delivers striking visuals and efficient cooling in one compact design. Its oversized infinity mirror panels on both sides and the center axis, combined with vibrant ARGB lighting, create mesmerizing effects that bring any PC build to life. The fan supports dynamic ARGB sync, allowing you to control lighting modes through your motherboard and enjoy rainbow, breathing, and other customizable effects across both blades and mirrors. Performance is just as impressive as aesthetics. With 9 high-performance blades, the fan spins between 800 to 1850 revolutions per minute, generating 58.36 CFM airflow while keeping noise levels under 29 dBA. Its hydraulic bearing ensures smooth operation, reduces wear, and extends lifespan. A clever magnetic suction feature adds stability, securing the fan to steel surfaces. Versatility is another strong point. The fan functions seamlessly as a case fan or as part of a CPU cooling setup, efficiently removing heat from both the case and CPU. Ideal for PC builders seeking quiet, powerful cooling with eye-catching ARGB visuals, this fan balances performance and style perfectly. Now number 4, Idiad's RGB Daisy Chain PWM Fans. The Frozen Warframe Series AIO Liquid Cooler combines high-performance cooling with advanced customization, making it ideal for gamers and PC enthusiasts. Its 2-inch customizable LCD lets you display temperatures, fan or pump RPM, or even personal GIFs and themes on a crisp 320 by 320 pixel rotatable screen, allowing real-time monitoring while showcasing your build. Installation and cable management are simplified thanks to TLM12Q 120mm PWM daisy chain ARGB fans, which connect via a single cable and sync with 5 VA RGB headers while controlling speeds via 4-pin PWM. The new pump design features a powerful 9-pole rotor motor and optimized fluid impeller, spinning up to 3,000 revolutions per minute with a quiet 28.2 dBA noise level, efficiently cooling CPUs up to 250 WTDP. Pre-applied thermal paste also speeds up installation. The cooler supports freely switchable cooling modes via the SS2 buckle system, allowing compatibility with various radiators. Patented anti-leak technology, including a pressure relief device, prevents liquid leakage under high temperatures. Overall, the Frozen Warframe series delivers efficient, quiet, and visually stunning cooling for high-performance builds. And our last choice is Be Quiet Premium Low Noise Cooling Fan. The high-performance 120mm fan is designed to deliver maximum cooling efficiency without compromising on quiet operation. Its optimized fan blades ensure exceptional airflow, while the small tip clearance and funnel-shaped air outlets generate extremely high static pressure, making it ideal for radiators, heatsinks, and densely packed PC cases. Despite its powerful performance, this fan remains virtually inaudible at standard speeds, ensuring a quiet computing environment for gaming, work, or media consumption. The 6-pole fan motor combined with a fluid dynamic bearing minimizes vibration, providing smooth, stable operation and extending the lifespan of the fan. Installation is straightforward and flexible, thanks to anti-vibration mounting options that include both push-pin and screw-in methods. This reduces unwanted noise caused by case vibrations while allowing secure placement in various setups. Overall, this fan offers the perfect balance of high airflow, exceptional static pressure, quiet performance, and durable construction. Whether you're cooling a high-performance CPU, GPU, or building a silent PC rig, this fan delivers efficient, reliable, and near-silent cooling, making it a must-have for any enthusiast or professional build. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.